Morning all of you. Carbonyl compound. In this video we are going to discuss about Wolff-Kishner reduction. Both Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction used to reduce the carbonyl compound into hydrocarbon. But the reducing agents are different. Reducing agent used is hydrazine and sodium ethoxide. Hydrazine molecular formula NH2 NH2, sodium ethoxide C2H5ONa. In this reaction, hydrazine acts as a reducing agent. NH2 NH2 used as a reducing agent, and sodium ethoxide acts as a catalyst used to alter the speed of the chemical reaction, used as a catalyst. Now we are going to see the reduction reaction of both aldehyde and ketone. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH. Common name acetaldehyde, IUPAC name 2 carbon eth, carbon carbon single bond ane aldehyde ale. When reduced with H2, hydrazine and sodium ethoxide. Finally, I will explain how the reaction takes place. In presence of NH2 NH2 C2H5ONa. What happens? H plus O2 minus water molecule is removed. These two hydrogens are added to this carbon atom. Totally, the first carbon becomes CH3. Ethane is obtained with the loss of H2O. 2 carbon eth, carbon carbon single bond ane ethane. This is acetaldehyde reduction. Now come to acetone. CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone. When reduced with hydrogen H2 in presence of the reducing agent NH2 NH2 and the catalyst C2H5ONa. H plus O2 minus loss H2O, and these two hydrogens are added to this carbon atom, gives CH3 CH2 CH3 plus loss of H2O. How many carbon atom? Here we have 3 carbon atom, prop, carbon carbon single bond ane ketone one. 3 carbon atom, prop, carbon carbon single bond ane propane. Actually, how the reactions takes place, I will explain with one example. For example, acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH. When treated with first hydrazine NH2 NH2 hydrazine in presence of C2H5ONa. So first what happens? H plus O2 minus loss H2O. A double bond is formed between carbon and nitrogen, gives an intermediate compound CH3 CH double bond N. Here you have NH2. Now what happens? We know the valency of nitrogen is 3. This H is removed as H plus, and this H is also removed as H plus. This bond is now shifted between two nitrogen. This bond is shifted between two nitrogen. N triple bond N. N2 in gaseous state is evolved. To these two bonds, 2 H plus are added, gives CH3, CH3. Collectively, when we write, this is nothing but CH3, CH3. 2 carbon eth, carbon single bond N, ethane. Now, one more reduction reaction we are going to discuss in this video, that is reduction to pinacol. Reduction to pinacol. Ketones on reduction with magnesium amalgam followed by hydrolysis gives pinacol. Pinacol is an example of symmetrical diol. Symmetrical diol. One molecule of acetone, CH3, C double bond O CH3. One molecule of acetone plus another molecule of acetone, C double bond O, CH3, CH3. The reducing agent used here is magnesium amalgam Hg in H2O. We know addition of hydrogen is called reduction. Bond shifting takes place and a new bond is formed between the carbonyl carbon atom of one acetone and carbonyl carbon atom of another acetone. One H becomes plus, another H becomes minus. When this bond is shifted between oxygen and hydrogen, this bond is shifted between carbon and oxygen due to more electronegative in nature. Now this bond shifted towards hydrogen. The product obtained is CH3, C, here you have one CH3, single bond oxygen, bond shifted towards oxygen, to that H is added. So here a new bond is formed between these two carbon atoms, one methyl CH3, another methyl CH3, here you have one oxygen, to this oxygen one H is added. What is the name of this compound? This is collectively called as phenacol. Collectively called as phenacol. What is IUPAC name? When we give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 carbon butane, carbon carbon single bond N, OH all, 2 OH diol. If you put here di or tri in, we have to write fully. Second carbon and third carbon contain 2 OH group. In the same second and third carbon atom, we are having 2 methyl group. Therefore, 2,3 dimethyl butane 2,3 diol is called phenacol. This is reduction to phenacol. It is an example of symmetric diol. And our reactant is acetone, 3 carbon prop, carbon carbon single bond N, ketone 1 propanone. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.